Hello, and welcome to tonight's Space Sleep Story. If you appreciate what we do here, please like or subscribe for future relaxing nighttime space journeys. Tonight, we embark on a journey of observation, staying here on Earth, simply looking up. We'll lie on a hillside under dark skies, learning to recognize the stars visible with our own eyes. So settle into your most comfortable position, close your eyes, and prepare to understand the ancient lights above. Before we begin, let us prepare your body and mind with gentle breathing. Take a slow, deep breath with me now. Inhale gently for 4 counts. Hold the peace. Exhale for 6. Feel your body releasing into stillness. Let the concerns of the day drift away. We are beginning a journey inward toward rest, outward toward the stars. Another gentle breath as we continue our preparation. This time, notice how your chest rises and falls, how air fills your lungs completely. Inhale again, slowly, deeply. Hold this peaceful moment. Exhale completely, releasing every bit of tension. With each breath, you release a little more into relaxation. Feel yourself settling deeper into comfort. You are safe. You are calm. You are ready. Imagine yourself lying on a grassy hillside on a moonless night, far from city lights. The ground beneath you is soft, still holding warmth from the afternoon sun. The air is cool and still. As your eyes adjust to darkness, what began as scattered points of light resolves into thousands of stars. We're not traveling through space tonight. We're staying home, on Earth, simply looking up. This is astronomy in its most ancient form. Human eyes meeting starlight. There, brilliant and blue-white, low in the southern sky, you see Sirius. The brightest star in Earth's night sky, shining at apparent magnitude -1.46. That light left its surface 8.6 years ago. It traveled 81 trillion kilometers to reach you. Not a reflection, not a recorded image, but direct, ancient light touching your eye tonight. Sirius is actually a binary system. 2 stars orbiting each other across the light years. You're seeing both, though they appear as one brilliant point. Under optimal dark sky conditions, approximately 9,000 stars are visible to the unaided human eye across the entire celestial sphere. About 4,500 visible from any single location at one time, depending on your latitude and the season. The magnitude system measures their brightness, a scale established by the Greek astronomer Hipparchus in 130 BCE. Magnitude 1 stars are brightest to naked eye. Magnitude 6 are faintest. Each magnitude step represents 2.5 times the brightness difference. Ancient observations, modern understanding. Look for that steady, bright star to the north, appearing motionless while all others wheel around it. That's Polaris, the North Star, 433 light-years distant. It appears stationary because it aligns with Earth's rotational axis. But 12,000 years ago, Vega was the North Star. 13,700 years from now, Vega will be again. Earth's axis wobbles like a spinning top over 25,772 years. Even eternal markers change on cosmic timescales. Nothing is truly permanent. That reddish star low on the southern horizon is Antares, a red supergiant in Scorpius. 550 light-years away, 680 times the Sun's diameter. If you placed Antares where our Sun sits, it would extend past the orbit of Mars. Its surface temperature measures only 3,500 Kelvin, cool for a star. But its enormous size makes it the 15th brightest star visible from Earth. Color reveals temperature. Red stars burn coolest, blue stars hottest. The sky is showing you stellar physics directly. Now notice the colors more carefully. Blue-white stars like Rigel in Orion burn at 12,100 Kelvin, living fast and dying young in just millions of years. White stars like Vega at 9,600 Kelvin are mid-range. Yellow stars like our Sun at 5,800 Kelvin live for billions of years. Red stars, like Betelgeuse, though enormous, have cooler surfaces around 3,500 Kelvin. The colors aren't decoration, they're information. Each hue tells a story of mass, age, and destiny. You're reading stellar biography with your eyes. For millennia before telescopes, this was astronomy. Human eyes, dark skies, patient observation. Hipparchus catalogued 850 stars with only naked eye, establishing the magnitude system still used today. Polynesian navigators used star positions to cross the Pacific Ocean, thousands of kilometers without instruments. Babylonians recorded nightly observations for 7 centuries. This isn't primitive technology. It's direct sensory connection with the universe. You're participating in humanity's oldest science tonight. The same stars, the same wonder. The nearest star system to Earth is Alpha Centauri, 4.37 light-years away. That's 41.3 trillion kilometers. It appears as a single bright star at magnitude -0.27, but it's actually a triple system. Alpha Centauri A is Sun-like, 1.1 solar masses. Alpha Centauri B is an orange dwarf, 0.9 solar masses. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf, 0.12 solar masses, hosting a potentially habitable planet. The nearest stars contain worlds. Distance is vast, but not infinite. Consider what a light year truly means. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, the fastest speed possible in our universe. In 1 year, it covers 9.46 trillion kilometers, or 63,241 astronomical units. When you see Sirius, you're seeing it as it appeared 8.6 years ago. The light entering your eye tonight began its journey in 2016. Stargazing is time travel into the cosmic past. You're touching ancient photons. Every glance upward looks backward in time. There in the summer sky, forming a triangle with Vega and Altair, shines Deneb, one of the most distant naked-eye stars at approximately 2,600 light-years. The light you're seeing tonight left Deneb when Rome was being founded, traveled through all of human classical civilization, medieval period, Renaissance, and modernity, arriving now. Yet, Deneb appears nearly as bright as Vega at 25 light-years, because its intrinsic luminosity is 196,000 times solar. Enormous brightness overcomes vast distance. Some stars simply outshine everything around them. In 1838, Friedrich Bessel achieved what astronomers had attempted for centuries, measuring stellar distance using parallax. He observed 61 Cygni's slight positional shift as Earth orbited the Sun, 0.314 arcseconds. That's 1/11,000th of a degree. From that measurement, he calculated 10.4 light-years distance. His words capture the revelation. The distance is at least 660,000 times the Earth-Sun distance. The universe is vaster than imagination. First proof that stars are distant suns, not nearby objects. Mathematics revealing cosmic truth. Every star you see is a snapshot in a billion-year story. Main sequence stars spend 90% of life fusing hydrogen to helium in their cores. Our Sun has 5 billion years remaining of its 10 billion-year main sequence life. When core hydrogen exhausts, stars expand into red giants like Arcturus, 25 solar radii, 37 light-years away. Stars under 8 solar masses eventually collapse to white dwarfs, Entire solar mass compressed to Earth-size sphere. Stars exceeding 8 solar masses are destined for supernova. Betelgeuse, Antares, and Rigel will explode within the next million years, briefly outshining entire galaxies. In 1925, Cecilia Payne wrote her doctoral thesis proving stars are primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. This revolutionary discovery was initially dismissed as impossible by Henry Norris Russell. Later confirmed, it's now called the most brilliant PhD thesis ever written in astronomy. Her reflection captures the essence of discovery. The reward of the young scientist is the emotional thrill of being the first person in history to see something or understand something. Nothing can compare with that experience. One mind, patient observation, universe revealing its secrets, knowledge emerging from curiosity. Subrahmanyan Chandrasekhar calculated at age 19 that white dwarfs cannot exceed 1.44 solar masses. Beyond that limit, gravity overcomes electron pressure, forcing collapse to neutron star or black hole. Arthur Eddington initially rejected the finding, but mathematics prevailed. Chandrasekhar received the Nobel Prize in 1983. 53 years after his calculation. His words reflect patient conviction. The pursuit of truth is the primary purpose of science. Even when rejected, if the mathematics is sound, truth eventually prevails. Vindication across a lifetime. Stars teaching us about limits, about destiny. Look up at the constellation patterns overhead. The Big Dipper's 7 stars appear aligned from Earth, but they range from 79 to 124 light-years distant, scattered through space. Constellations are projection effects, human pattern recognition imposed on random distribution. Yet their utility remains profound. In celestial navigation, latitude equals Polaris altitude above northern horizon. At the North Pole, Polaris appears at zenith, 90 degrees. At the equator, it sits on the horizon, 0 degrees. Single star measurement reveals planetary position. Ancient wisdom, geometric precision. Stars as compass. The celestial sphere rotates, or rather Earth rotates, beneath the stars. From northern hemisphere, stars rise in the east, arc southward through highest altitude at meridian crossing, then set in the west. Circumpolar stars near Polaris never set, tracing circles around the pole. Edmund Halley discovered in 1718 that fixed stars actually move slowly. Comparing observations with Hipparchus's catalogue 1850 years earlier, revealed Sirius, Arcturus, and Aldebaran had shifted position. Nothing truly fixed. Timescale determines perception. In 2016, astronomers discovered Proxima Centauri b, an Earth-mass planet orbiting our nearest star in the habitable zone. 11.2-day orbital period around Proxima Centauri, 4.24 light-years distant. The nearest star system contains a potentially habitable world. If humans ever achieve interstellar travel, that's our first destination. The stars aren't just distant abstractions. They're places. If skies are truly dark, Bortle Class 1, the Milky Way appears overhead. A faint, luminous band arcing across the sky. Galileo revealed its nature in 1610. Nothing but innumerable stars grouped together. We're inside a galaxy containing 200 to 400 billion stars, viewing our disk edge on. Every distinct star you see is within 1,000 light-years. The Milky Way band represents everything else collectively. Most people never see truly dark sky. Under suburban conditions, Bortle Class 6 or 7, only 200 to 500 stars visible. Artificial light scatters in atmosphere, reducing contrast, limiting magnitude threshold. Vera Rubin worried, children growing up in cities never see dark sky full of stars. How can you dream of exploring what you've never seen? Light pollution severs primal connection with universe. Every photon entering your eye is an ancient messenger. Proxima Centauri light is 4 years old. Vega light is 25 years old. Polaris light is 433 years old, departing when Copernicus revolutionized astronomy. Deneb light is 2,600 years old, leaving when Greek philosophy emerged. Looking up isn't just seeing space, it's seeing time. Gazing into past. Not all stars are constant. Algol in Perseus dims every 2.87 days, an eclipsing binary where companion passes in front. Mira in Cetus varies from magnitude 2, easily visible, to 10.1, requiring telescope, over 332 days. A pulsating variable star, physically swelling and contracting. The sky isn't static backdrop. It's dynamic, changing, alive with stellar behavior. Henrietta Leavitt discovered in 1908 that Cepheid variable periods correlate with intrinsic brightness. Longer period equals brighter star. This provided a standard candle. Measure period, calculate true brightness. Compare to apparent brightness. Determine distance. Her patient observation revolutionized cosmology, enabling Edwin Hubble's expanding universe discovery. One woman's work, universe revealed. Lying on this hillside, feeling earth beneath, watching stars above, You're on the surface of a rocky planet, orbiting a yellow dwarf star. In a spiral galaxy arm, in local galaxy group, in cosmic web. The stars you're seeing are neighbors in galactic sense, close enough for light to reach in years to thousands of years. Not millions, not billions. These are our stellar neighborhood. Every atom in your body was forged in stellar cores. Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, iron, calcium. Stars live billions of years, fuse elements, explode or shed outer layers, seeding space with heavy elements. Those atoms aggregate into planets, oceans, life, consciousness. You're literally made of star stuff. Carl Sagan's phrase, but literal truth. Observing your own origin. If Proxima Centauri's planet hosts life, are they looking back? Their light from Earth left 4.24 years ago. They'd see Earth as it was, same delay we experience seeing them. Communication requires 8.5 years round trip minimum. The cosmos enforces patience. Information travels at light speed, no faster. Chris Hadfield observed, "From Earth, you're watching universe. From space, you're in it. Just slightly, but measurably, in it." Tonight, lying on hillside, you're in it too. On cosmic stage, participant, not just audience. Small observer on small world. Watching universe unfold. Same stars rise and set as Earth rotates. Tomorrow night, similar view offset 4 minutes earlier. Next week, shifted half hour. Next month, different constellations rising. Annual cycle repeating since humans first looked up. Will repeat from millions of years ahead. Tycho Brahe spent decades making naked eye measurements achieving 1 to 2 arc-minute precision. 1/30th of a degree. His data enabled Kepler's planetary laws. Patient observation over years reveals patterns invisible in single night. Repetition deepens understanding. Your breath. 4 seconds inhale, 4 seconds exhale. Proxima Centauri's light, 4 years travel time. Sun's main sequence life, 10 billion years, halfway through. Human civilization, 10,000 years. Life on Earth. 3.5 billion years. Stars in view. Ages from millions to billions. Some light entering your eye tonight, left before humans existed. Some will still shine long after humanity's story ends. Whatever that story becomes. Stars continue burning, fusing hydrogen to helium, converting mass to energy, radiating light across light years. Some reaches Earth. Some reaches you. Carolyn Shoemaker reflected. I spent decades staring at stars, looking for a faint moving smudge. Most would find it tedious. I found it meditative. Each glance up, same stars, but knowing they're distant suns with potential planets. Each photon's ancient journey. Knowledge enriches beauty. The hillside beneath you. Earth's rotation carrying you eastward at 1,000 kilometers per hour. Imperceptible. Earth orbiting Sun at 30 kilometers per second. Unnoticeable. You feel stillness. Both perceptions true. Stillness is relative. Stars continue burning. Planets orbit. You observe. This is enough. Ancient photons complete their journey. You witness. Alan Hale observed. Each night I saw stars I'd seen 1,000 times, but each time reminded me they're distant suns. Repetition deepened rather than diminished wonder. Familiarity breeding not contempt, but appreciation. The stars you see tonight are the same stars seen by ancient navigators, medieval astronomers, modern scientists, future generations. You're part of continuous human experience. Looking up, wondering, understanding slightly more. Tomorrow night, stars return. Different season brings different constellations rising earlier. Earth's orbit advances, but patterns persist. Reliable, patient, waiting for you to look up again. For now, rest. The stars keep watch. Ancient light illuminating this moment, this breath, this peaceful surrender to sleep. Annie Jump Cannon classified 350,000 stars into the OBAF-GKM spectral sequence. O, hottest blue. M, coolest red. Her system remains standard classification because it captures fundamental stellar physics. Temperature revealing mass. Mass determining destiny. The alphabet of stars. Betelgeuse in Orion's shoulder varies in size between 700 and 900 solar radii. If placed at Sun's position, it would extend to Jupiter's orbit, approximately 640 light-years away, destined to explode as supernova within next 100,000 years. Astronomical soon, but not tonight. Timothy Ferris taught thousands to find constellations. The moment someone identifies their first pattern independently, not me pointing, but them recognizing Cassiopeia or Scorpius, their face lights up. Personal connection with cosmos. Primal human experience. Stephen O'Meara holds records for faintest objects seen without telescope. Your unaided eye under dark skies can see Andromeda Galaxy, 2.5 million light-years away. The universe is visible without technology. Direct access. The Summer Triangle spans 3 constellations: Vega in Lyra, Deneb in Cygnus, Altair in Aquila. Asterism, not constellation. Recognizable pattern serving navigation and orientation. Sky map made simple. Earth's 23.4-degree axial tilt creates seasonal constellation changes. Orion dominates winter, Scorpius summer. Same stars always present, but visibility shifts with Earth's orbital position. Annual rhythm. The ecliptic traces Sun's apparent annual path through constellations. Actually Earth's orbital plane projected onto sky. Zodiac constellations lie along ecliptic, where planets also travel. 13 constellations, historically significant. Ancient astronomy, meeting modern understanding. precession causes slow drift over 25,772 years. Thuban in Draco served as pole star during Egyptian pyramid construction. 2700 BCE. Polaris only since medieval period. Celestial poles wandering. Friedrich Bessel's success in 1838 followed decades of failed attempts. Measuring 61 Cygni's parallax, 0.314 arcseconds annual displacement. Calculating 10.4 light-year distance. First stellar distance measured. Thomas Henderson measured Alpha Centauri from Cape of Good Hope, 1832 to 33. Calculated 3.25 light years. Modern value 4.37. Southern skies brightest. Friedrich Struve measured Vega's parallax in 1837. 25 light-years confirmed. Third successful stellar distance measurement. Framework for cosmic distance scale established. Universe revealing dimensions. Ptolemy's Almagest refined Hipparchus into 1028 star catalogue. Circa 150 CE. Remained definitive reference for 1400 years. Greek, Arab, European civilizations. Careful observation transcending eras. Polynesian navigation spanned 1500 BCE to 1200 CE. Star compass enabling 1,000-kilometer ocean crossings. Memorized rising and setting positions at different latitudes. Precision navigation across featureless ocean. Stars as pathways. Babylonian astronomical diaries span 747 BCE to 61 CE. Systematic nightly celestial records. 7 centuries of sustained observation. Cuneiform tablets providing modern astronomers historical data. Ancient eyes serving future science. Arab astronomers preserved and expanded Greek astronomy. 800 to 1200 CE. Betelgeuse from Yad al-Jawza. Aldebaran from Aldebaran. Star names retaining Arabic origins. Cultural continuity in sky. Chinese records document the 1054 Crab Nebula supernova. Meticulously recorded. Visible in daylight for 23 days. Providing modern astronomers precise historical data. Ancient observation. Modern understanding. Neil deGrasse Tyson observes photons ending journey in your eye. Ancient light touching retina. Not just seeing space, but seeing time. Touching history. Cosmic archaeology. Vera Rubin worried children never seeing dark sky. Light pollution blocking universe. How can you dream of exploring what you've never seen? Dark skies are human heritage being lost. Preserving darkness. White dwarf density reaches 200,000 times water. Teaspoon would weigh 5 tons. Electron degeneracy pressure supporting mass. Quantum mechanics preventing collapse. Physics at extremes. Red dwarfs burn for trillions of years. Tiny mass means slow fuel consumption. None have died yet in universe's history. 14 billion years insufficient. Ultimate longevity. Blue supergiants live mere millions of years. Massive stars burning brilliantly. Fast life, Spectacular death. Supernova destiny inevitable. Cosmic fireworks. Your eye adapts to darkness over 20 minutes. Rhodopsin regenerating in rod cells. First few minutes reveal brightest stars. Full adaptation reveals thousands. Patience rewarded. Rod cells detect faint light. Cone cells perceive color. In darkness, rods dominate. Colors fade to grays. Night vision. Stellar nurseries form in molecular clouds. Gravity collapsing gas and dust. Orion Nebula birthing stars now. 1,400 light-years distant. Creation continuing. Planetary nebulae mark stellar death. Sun-like stars shedding outer layers. Core becoming white dwarf. Beautiful final act. Transformation. Supernova remnants seed space with heavy elements. Iron, gold, uranium created. Explosion necessary for element formation. Death enabling future life. Cosmic recycling. The Pleiades cluster contains 7 visible stars. Actually, over 1,000 members. 440 light-years distant. Young cluster, 100 million years old. Stellar siblings. Galaxies contain billions of stars. Andromeda holds trillion. Visible to naked eye as faint smudge. 2.5 million light-years. Island universe. Light travels finite speed. Information delay increases with distance. If Betelgeuse exploded tonight, we wouldn't know for 640 years. Patience enforced. Anavas harp sick to belelprum deliverance with an omenopus nina work. When no Stars drift slowly through space. Proper motion measurable over decades. Barnard's star moves fastest. 10.3 arc-seconds annually. Nothing truly fixed. Constellations will change shape. 10,000 years transforms patterns. Big Dipper becoming unrecognizable. Future skies different. Impermanence. But tonight, familiar patterns. Same stars humans have always seen. Orion's Belt, Cassiopeia's W, ancient friends. Your breathing slows naturally. 4 counts in, 6 counts out. Rhythm matching cosmic patience. Stillness within. Stars continue burning. Fusion converting mass to light. Einstein's equation operating. E equals mc squared. Energy radiating. Some light reaches you. Journey complete. Ancient photon. Present moment. Connection made. The hillside holds you, Earth rotating beneath stars, safe, supported, rest available. Stars keep watch tonight, as they always have. Reliable light, eternal presence. You can sleep. Tomorrow night returns, stars waiting, patterns persist. For now, peaceful rest under ancient starlight.